From Halifax to Oldham I tread the old track ways. I lead my train o'er Cobb Hill and down the cobble lanes, past Slough Manor and on to Marsden town, past Oxon Church and Hostelries, my bell horse in the van. Packman of the Pennines, we bring you pretty things, as well as salt and corn and coal, to warm you till the spring. From Marsden we climb up.
The Packhorse route between
Ways
Cobb Hill
are
and
rough.
Marsden has been authentically restored as a major part of our Crossing the Pennines project. And at the foot is a superb sculpture by Melanie Wilkes, which is already drawing approving comments on our Facebook page and from geocachers. Please tell us, Melanie, what excited you about this commission?
Well, what really excited me was the idea of bringing history to life. I chose a pack horse. Well, I did loads of research about who used the trail and about local industries and all that kind of thing. And of course, it being the Packhorse Trail, the obvious choice was an actual pack horse. The pack horse is laden with rolls of fabric to reflect, the mill industry in Lancashire and Yorkshire, across the Pennines, and it's heavily burdened, weighted down with the weight of its burden. It was really important, I think, to have a pack horse on this trail, because before it was there, people didn't realise it was an ancient pack horse trail. It kind of makes sense. It's kind of a focal point for people. Brings history to life. It's good.
Thank you. You can find the route on our website, www.crossingthepennines.co.uk.